here again once more at Chelsea, and believe it or not, it's my 25th design, and what a design, what a year it's been. So the theme this year is Rustic Recipes Reimagined, where we're getting people to think locally and in 4 sections. So we've got the beehive and fruit grove, storage and potager, the flint well garden and the arbour made of hazel. And what we're trying to do is get people to think locally and also with their own gardens, and also treat things sustainably. So within the 4 areas of the garden, we're actually recycling materials, we're doing sustainable practices, including our leaflet, which is actually with vegetable inks as well.
Our garden this year is all about sustainability, biodiversity. It's about protecting the ecosystem. It's about looking back at our ancestors and our heritage and the ways in which that they used to do things out of necessity, and realising that we can take those things and use them in a sustainable way. So our garden is full of what most people would identify sort of weeds, but the trouble is weed doesn't really have a definition. It's in the eye of the beholder, and if you look at our garden, it looks absolutely beautiful. It's only when you look at it closer that you realise it is full of these weeds. It's amazingly eco-friendly, so all of these things that you would find naturally in our local countryside, which just makes it a perfect place for the bees, the birds, the beetles, everything that would want to find these things in the wild. For me personally, Sparsholt College is my favourite place to be. I've just loved my entire experience there. We're so lucky with the theme we've had this year. It just sums up my entire experience. It's everything that I want to get into this world.
Being here today and chatting to loads of different people, listening in on their concepts of or how they view our concept and what they think of our garden has been really nice to hear. Having all the good feedback feels really good. Everybody works exceptionally hard. This was a complete team effort. Everyone should be so proud of ourselves, especially winning all the awards we won today, including Plant of the Year and a gold medal here at Chelsea. To win all these awards is an amazing achievement and opportunity, especially for the amount of people here we're competing against who have far more experience. We should all be so proud of ourselves.
I'm really proud to be here today at the Chelsea Flower Show to celebrate the hard work and efforts of our Level 3 horticulture students. Bringing together all of their hard work over their 2-year programme and developing a collection like this is absolutely fantastic for them. The skills that they've learned while they've been studying at Sparsholt College Group have allowed them to contribute together and work collaboratively as a team to develop such a fantastic collection. And we're so proud that they won the gold medal and that they've won the Best in Discovery section as well.